Alright, we got a 2025 Buick Envista, and it's got a GPS tracker installed from the dealer here under the hood. We're going to remove it today. And this is the actual unit here. It's not hidden at all. This is really common with what's going on with new cars now. This is connected to the battery. 2 wires. Not hidden well at all. This is one of those add-ons they add on in the new cars. It costs a couple $100. Look here. So, cut the power on it. Super easy, super simple. Removal, pretty simple. Just some zip ties down here for the module. Turn this over. So I guess they put these in to sell to you to track the car in case it gets stolen or something, but you can just take it out this easy, throw it out the window. So